I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Highways UK with the big vehicle of the moment. This is the Castle Surveys mobile mapping vehicle and I'm here with James. James, what a showstopper this is. We've got the mobile mapping device here from Leica Geosystems and also the stream device as well. Tell me why this is a big moment for you guys at Castle Surveys.
Yeah, it's about finally showcasing the two systems we've got access to. So our mobile mapping system, the TRK, which is capable of capturing at highway speeds. So this is the perfect place to be showcasing it. With our Chapter 8 compliant vehicle as well, we're able to do everything highways related now, whether it's your topographical surveys, your asset management, your vegetation encroachments, your pavement analysis, and it goes on and on.
Yeah.
In conjunction with the stream up. So we're able to capture now the above and below ground utility information.
So that's captured whilst driving, sometimes at speeds of up to motorway speed at 70 miles an hour. But then it's all about the data processing. And what's interesting for us today is that you are next door to TopoDOT. That is the system that you're using. So let's pop over there and have a little chat with them. And also let's find out how you're using their system. So we're coming over here to TopoDOT right now and the team. And we're going to do a little bit of a handover, guys, because I've got James here and we've also got Felipe here. And basically, we're going to find out more from the TopoDOT team. But first of all, James, you've chosen to use TopoDOT. Why?
I mean, TopoDOT was really the obvious choice for us. I mean, what we wanted to have with our TRK is a solution that could give us everything we needed, no compromise. There are loads of softwares out there that can do lots of good extraction techniques and all that sort of stuff. There's always a compromise you've got to make. It can do this, but it can't do that. You know, a whole list of options here that Topo can do, and that's pretty much why we partner with them, because we know there's nothing that can get thrown at us that we can't extract and deliver. But also secondary to that, it's the ability to assess our data again. So when we process and we take our data out of the Leica environment, we've got all our reports, but it's about bringing it into TopoDOT to further assess the accuracies, bringing in our control, getting our reports out of TopoDOT as well, just to make sure that what we're handing over to our client is completely accurate.
So now we're going to really understand what's going on. So what are we seeing here from the software that we've got from the Castle Surveys mobile mapping?
So basically, TopoDOT empowers any LiDAR user, so any system, for example, like a mobile mapping system, or a UAV or a static scanner or a SLAM technology, basically to transform heavy and complex data as point clouds into vector data, actionable data for decision making. So like James said, it's basically a one-shop software that allows basically to extract all this topo information to perform pavement analysis, bridge clearances, volume calculation, road and rail geometry inspections. So in a unique platform, they basically can get all the information for designers, engineers, and anyone from downstream operations to maintain basically our infrastructure assets.
The point cloud showing us trees, buildings, so we're talking about lampposts, signage, everything, aren't we?
Yeah, exactly. So basically the technicians will be able to extract in an automatic way all the curbstones, all the horizontal and vertical signage. They can basically inspect the condition of their pavement. They can get power line clearances. They can perform even a more advanced analysis like clash detections, IRI, rutting. In an automatic way, they can get all the potholes, all the ruts. So basically help entities like national highways, any council, even engineering and design corporates to leverage and benefit from this LiDAR technology to make informed decisions and understand the context of any infrastructure asset.
And folks, the good thing about that is when it's talking about me and you using the roads, we're actually able to identify potholes. And of course, when you're putting in the mobile mapping, but then the stream down below the ground penetrating radar, that allows us to see the depth of that pothole and what's got to be fixed. So all of that in one place, identifiable, and all done for you. And there's a little bit of AI that helps that work as well, isn't it? Yeah.
Exactly. And in addition to that, we also have our sharing and collaboration platform, basically for any technician to be able to consume the data without any kind of software. So they don't need to have a CAD or GIS engine. They don't need to be experts in point cloud, because literally they will only be able to go into an URL link, understand what kind of data was captured, understand also what kind of features were extracted, and for example, use the work order requests to inquiry James and teams that are experts in getting this information from LiDAR data, basically to inquiry any kind of information related to roads and rails.
So folks, that is from the stand over there to the stand over here. That's how you take mobile mapping and all the data, put it into one usable space and make it accessible for everyone. Great to see you today. Cheers.
Thank you.